When the desired settings are made, depress the Start-Stop button to lock in the settings or changes. The Model 1850 control pendant offers a patient compliance meter, which can be used to monitor patient usage of the unit in tenth-of-an-hour readings. To view patient utilization time, simultaneously press the flexion and speed buttons. To clear the patient compliance meter, simultaneously press the extension, flexion, speed, and pause buttons. To prevent the patient from making inadvertent changes to the settings, the lockout switch can be activated. Remove the plate located on the back of the pendant and slide the switch to the locked position. The display will read LOC should any attempt be made to alter the settings when this is activated. The Phoenix soft goods are constructed with high-quality deep pile sheepskin and high tensile strength Velcro brand strapping. Our soft goods are designed to maximize the troughing of the leg that is unique to our open carriage CPM design. This allows for more flexibility in positioning of the patient, which increases comfort and the overall quality of the knee therapy. Each soft goods kit comes complete with 5 pieces: the thigh pad, the calf pad, the foot boot, and 2 auxiliary straps. The thigh pad is the largest pad and is applied to the unit with the V-shaped cutout design facing the calf area. The calf pad is then applied with the V-shaped cutout design facing the thigh pad. To apply the pads to the unit, pull the Velcro strapping away from the back of the pad and secure the pads to the unit by wrapping the Velcro straps around the bars of the cradle. Be sure to form a trough with the soft goods. Do not pull the pads taut. The trough allows proper alignment of the knee axis with the axis of the Phoenix. Next, slide the pocket of the foot boot over the foot plate and secure to the Velcro on the foot plate. Ankle support straps provide additional security by wrapping around the calf cradle bars. The auxiliary straps are optional and are used to secure the leg in the thigh region and the calf region. To position the patient properly on the Phoenix, use a tape measure to measure the length of the patient's limb from the greater trochanter to the center or joint line of the knee. The greater trochanter is located in the upper part of the femur near the hip of the patient. Transfer this measurement to the unit by holding the tape measure approximately 2 inches away from the hip pivot assembly. Measure from this point to the center axis of the Phoenix. Adjust the thigh cradle to match this measurement by loosening the adjustment knobs and sliding the thigh cradle to the proper length. Tighten the knobs to secure the cradle in the desired position. Next, loosen the calf cradle adjustment knobs and slide the foot assembly away from the patient. Do not remove this assembly. Only slide far enough for patient placement. Position the leg in the unit, then adjust the calf cradle accordingly, leaving 1/2 inch gap between the patient's foot and the foot plate. Tighten the calf cradle adjustment knob securely. Depending on prescription and patient comfort, the foot assembly can be adjusted in planar flex or dorsiflex positions. Loosen the adjustment knobs on the foot assembly, adjust the foot plate to the desired positioning, and securely tighten the adjustment knobs. There is no need for additional hardware or kits for the Phoenix to accommodate petite or pediatric patients. Loosen the calf adjustment knobs and remove the foot cradle assembly. Loosen the foot cradle adjustment knobs and rotate both foot tubes 180 degrees so that they are facing the opposite direction. Tighten the foot cradle adjustment knobs securely. Slide the cradle back into the Phoenix and secure with the calf adjustment knobs. After the patient has been fitted onto the Phoenix, bed adjustment rods may be used to prevent migration of the unit and provide additional stability. To adjust, loosen the bed adjustment rod knobs and extend the rods until they buttress against a solid barrier such as a footboard. Tighten the bed adjustment rod knobs securely. This feature, in combination with the skid pad on the base of the unit, will provide a secure base for the Phoenix to function. The design of the bed adjustment rods allows them to be utilized as a storage feature. The Phoenix can be placed in a tripod position, allowing easy storage when space is at a premium, and prevent cross-contamination to the patient's bedding. To engage this feature, extend the bed adjustment rods approximately 3 inches from the unit. Be sure that the unit is positioned around 0 degrees extension so that the footplate rests evenly on the floor. It is important to clean and inspect your Phoenix after each use. To clean your Phoenix, dampen a clean cloth with a mild disinfectant and wipe the cords and the black metal areas of the unit. Do not use aerosol cleaners or pour liquids directly onto the unit. It is recommended that you use a chrome polish to keep the chrome parts clean and use a soft bristle brush to clean debris from the small crevices of the unit. Inspect cables, labels, Velcro, skid pads, track seals, and knobs and screws. Items should be cleaned or replaced depending on their condition or appearance. Thank you for your interest in the Phoenix Knee CPM series. If, after viewing this material, you have any questions, please contact our Customer Solutions team at 800-273-5233.